This is experiment number 9, using the MicroBit, looking at capacitor voltage to display a value and also to light LEDs. This is the pot. It's set for full clockwise to the lowest value that it can be. Switch 1 is the charge switch. Switch 2 is the discharge switch. These are the LEDs properly labeled: 25 to 50, 50 to 75%, 75 to 90%, greater than 90%. 50% should be 1.5 volts. 25% should be half of that, which would be 0.75 volts. 75% should be 2.25 volts, and 90% should be 2.7 volts. I'm recording this mainly because it seems to be really slow, so I'm monitoring the capacitor voltage with the DVM. So we'll start the charge. So we'll take this up just for fun all the way up to halfway, which should be 1.5. And again, this is the slowest charge time we have on the pot. We don't have any LEDs lit yet. So I'll leave it there. It's pretty close. Now we have finally the red LED lit. Okay, so we will take this up just for fun. Take it up to about 2.5 volts. We should see some more lights light. There, the orange light's lit for the 50 to 75%. That took quite a while. We'll take it all the way up. Moving very slow. So we're 2.5, and there finally we have the 75 to 95% lit. And just to move faster, I'm going to turn it all the way up to the fastest time and do a charge. So we're charging much faster, and we're up to 3.7 volts, and we'll see when this green light's going to turn on. It does work. There it goes. That took a very long time, so I'm kind of puzzled with this. The other things, we're going to hit the discharge, and you can see I have it set really fast, so it discharges really fast. The lights will go out eventually. There they go. So it is working. Very strangely that it takes so long to update. Also, the lights aren't shutting off individually as it goes down in decrements. It waits till it's below 25% before it resets the lights. Okay, this is part 2 of experiment number 9. I'm with it as programmed and as found, as described in the hardware and everything. I'm going to take the switch 1 charge time. I have turned the pot all the way up. So this is going to move as fast as it possibly can for this circuit design. So we're going to charge it up and watch it go. Boom. Goes up to 3 volts really quick. The LEDs haven't lit yet. Very strange. So we're going to hang on here for a second, see how long it takes for them to turn on. There they go. For some reason the green one hasn't lit yet, but we know that it works because it had lit before. There it goes. I'm really puzzled why it takes so long to update. I have theories though. So I'm going to discharge it. We see, boom, it's down at 0. Man, the LEDs are still sitting there. Boom, that took a while. Okay, so this is as described and wired per the software as found in the tutorial.